Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser, and I'm so excited to talk about our latest product, EasyPatterns Plus Heat Transfer Vinyl. EasyPatterns Plus is a patterned heat transfer vinyl that is already masked. So if you're familiar with vinyl cutting any other Siser heat transfer vinyls, it's just like that. No more masking. EasyPatterns Plus is offered in an incredible wide range of unique and alluring pattern options. There are 30 different patterns, and each one of those patterns has 5 different colorways. This is going to help cater to any specific color scheme you are looking for. Siser EasyPatterns Plus Heat Transfer Vinyl is available online only at michaels.com. Simply search Easy Pattern, pick your pattern, choose your colorway, and have your order shipped directly to your door. Now it's time to have some fun. Get out your vinyl cutter. Mirror cut your design on your EasyPatterns Plus. Simply remove the excess material, and now it's application time. You can apply Siser EasyPatterns Plus with a home iron or a Siser Craft heat press. What's most important is that you have the correct application instructions. So when you get your roll, it's gonna come with a tech sheet with all this information. You wanna make sure that you're set to 305 degrees, you're pressing at an even medium pressure, and you're pressing for 10 to 15 seconds. The peel will be hot or cold for the carrier sheet. You can even mix other Siser heat transfer vinyls with EasyPatterns Plus. It's your turn to go get creative, so go check out Siser EasyPatterns Plus today for your next fun project. Thank you all so much for watching.